everyone. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix lag in sleeping dogs with low PC options. So first of all, what I want to do is just to open your option menu, go to options and then click on display. After going to display, I wanted to change resolution, like for me like this, and then just go for graphic level like here, and then set it to custom. After that, quit and click on yes to save the changes, and then just click on Q on the keyboard to open advanced display options. And what I wanted to do now is just to copy all my settings, set this to normal, off, shadow resolution off, shadow filtering normal, screen space, ambient occlusion normal, just set it like me, and then close this menu bar, and then it will restart your PC, and this will fix your log problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.